So the car that I have purchased is the Tesla Model Y Performance. So I went into the Tesla showroom. Here is the Tesla Model Y Performance. This is just the showroom model here. Anyway, I completed all of my paperwork. That's all done now. While I was there, I thought I'll just get some close-up shots of the Tesla. Mine is going to take about 6 weeks to be delivered. I'll be making a video showing how I collect it and just the things to look out for initially. And while I was at the showroom, I thought I would just test out the Tesla Model Y, just the rear-wheel drive version. So it's not the Performance. They didn't have a Performance one available for test drive. So I thought let's do a launch test first. So I look forward to doing this again on the Model Y Performance, because that does 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. And I thought I would test out the enhanced autopilot. So you can see here I'm on a sharp bend, and the Tesla's handling it quite well, to be honest. There are lights coming up, and the car does stop for the lights, but you can override that, because it even stops for a green light as well. So that can be overridden by just pressing the accelerator slightly. It stops as it should do at the red light. And here's another clip showing the autopilot as I'm joining onto the motorway.
Dave, stop it. Dave, stop it.
Sometimes there's cars in front and it's not slowing down, but you know that the mechanism is going to work and it will slow, but it's just a bit, daunting when the car's going so fast and there's cars ahead. But yeah, so this is my purchase then. So I've bought the Model Y Performance 2023 model. I'll be making videos as soon as it arrives, in addition to my current upload schedule, so keep an eye out for that. In regards to the autopilot, I think it's better on motorways and dual carriageways. I did try it on the streets just around the city where I live, and it does struggle because of the narrow roads. Sometimes, cars can be parked on the side and it assumes it's a car in the middle of the road, but it's kind of expected because it's just detecting the cars around, and it's not intelligent enough to know whether a car's parked, especially in the UK streets because of how narrow they are. So I think it's definitely very good for motorways and dual carriageways, but in the UK, using the autopilot around the streets, I don't think it's really worth it, to be honest. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about the Tesla Model Y or any questions at all, just leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.